Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to safely send money from Payoneer to Binance. First, you need to open your Payoneer account. Here, click on this option of banks and cards. Now select recipient bank accounts. Here, you'll see the option of adding your card. But first, you need to fill the requirement of receiving at least $100 into your Payoneer account. But as my account is new, I'm not having an option of adding a card. But when you fulfill this requirement, you'll see the option to add a Payoneer card. After you get that Payoneer card, you'll need to go to your Binance account. On your Binance account, click on this option of Buy Crypto. Then select EUR from here. Now search and select USD. After that, click on Credit or Debit Card. Click on Get It. Then enter the amount that you want to spend. After that, select the crypto of your choice. Once you're done, click on Continue. Here, you need to enter all the details of your Payoneer card. Once you're done, you'll be able to buy crypto on Binance. So, this is how you can safely send money from Payoneer to Binance. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.